Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay in unsupported countries. This workaround involves setting your iPhone or Apple Watch to a region where Apple Pay is active. Then, you can link a payment card issued by a bank in that supported country to your device. This allows you to bypass geographical restrictions and enjoy the convenience of contactless payments almost anywhere. It's a clever way to expand your payment options when traveling or living abroad. To begin, access the Settings app on your iPhone. Locate General, then Language and Region, and select a country that officially supports Apple Pay, like the United States. Confirm this change, which might require a quick restart. Once done, open the Wallet app. You will then be able to add a new debit or credit card. Make sure this card is issued by a bank located in the region you just selected for your device settings, such as a major American bank. Acquiring a suitable payment card is often the most significant step. Several online financial platforms and digital banks specialize in providing virtual debit cards tied to supported countries, such as the United Kingdom or Australia. Research providers that cater to international users, often allowing you to open an account remotely. These services usually provide a virtual card number, expiration date, and security code instantly. Always ensure the service is reputable and regulated before signing up for an account. With your device configured and a supported card added, you can now use Apple Pay wherever contactless payments are accepted globally. Simply hold your iPhone near the payment terminal and authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID. Your bank will handle any necessary currency conversions, though checking for foreign transaction fees with your card issuer is always wise. This setup provides a secure and efficient payment method, whether you're buying coffee or paying for groceries in many different places.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.